We are meeting first time in my channel. So please introduce yourself.
Yes, so my name is Sanjana. I'm living in Delhi. I'm blessed with 2 kids. I'm a homemaker as well as I'm a YouTuber also. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I'm graduated. And in these days, I am English learning. I'm learning English. Yes, that's all about me. Yeah.
When did you start your channel?
I started my channel last year, but I changed my channel name before 4 months ago. So I can say before 4 months ago I started. Yes.
Okay. How long learning this language?
Before 4 months ago.
Oh,
Yes. If I talk about my speaking parts, when I started to taking session, so I taking sessions before 1 month. Yes.
okay.
It has
And have you
completed.
taken any online classes, online and offline classes for spoken English?
No, I'm not taking any online classes. Yes, I'm learning just myself. Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's a great thing. Yeah. So you have 2 kids. And how old are they?
My elder one is 4 years old, and younger one is will complete means 2 years in this
Okay.
Fab.
So,
23 Fab he will complete. I can say
okay.
2 years. He is 2 year. Yes.
It's very difficult to manage.
Yes, very difficult. It's managed, but I can do. Yes, I'm able to manage all the things. Yes.
Oh, wow. That's nice. Okay. Do you live in a joint family?
No, I'm living in alone. Yes. You nuclear family, I can say, because my mother-in-law living in UP and I'm in Delhi. So yeah, you can say you nuclear family. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Question can ask.
Yes, sure. So, I want to know about, Ram Pratishtha had done. So, what have you done that day? And what
Uh,
was your feeling at that day? Yeah.
yeah, I'm very happy. I was very happy on that day, and I cleaned my house, whole house, and at the night, we lit diya.
Okay.
I yeah, and we go to the temple. Me and my family go to the temple.
Went.
Sorry, but यही तो कंफ्यूजन रहता है. मैं हमेशा पास्ट और प्रेजेंट में गड़बड़ कर देती हूँ.
Yes. Yeah, I'm also doing this, but this time I'm learning. I'm focusing, so I just catching all the mistakes.
Oh, you are right. You are doing good. I'm always doing this mistake, present and past.
Yes.
Sometimes we are so many mistakes while speaking.
Yes.
And excitement. Because of excitement, we are doing mistakes.
Yes. And each and every time, sometime it happens that we are making conversation that and sometime we forget and we just make mistakes.
Yes, but I forget the main means a particular word.
Okay.
When I speak, then I get stuck and I couldn't understand what to do and what to say.
Yeah. And yeah, I was, that problem I faced, but this time I am removing my hesitation, and also when I started my speaking part, that time I made mistakes, past tense. Yes, and but this time I am doing my level best. Yes, yeah. Sometimes I'm making
Okay.
mistakes. Yeah,
Well,
but reducing. Yes, it's reducing.
yes, yes. And what you did?
Yes, on Pran Pratishtha that day, I was also very excited, and I was hoped that I wished
Yeah.
but I didn't go that day. And that day my kids and my husband was at home, and that day I was very busy because I was prepared many foods that day. And in morning at the morning I was also worshipped to God, and in the evening I also light in the earthen lamp also.
Yes.
And I celebrated like it's a Diwali. Yes,
Yes. Yes.
I also purchased many things for decorating my home. Yes, so I lighted my home, and then I firecrackers I bought. Yes, many things I have done, and lots of fun. But I didn't watch that. On TV. I didn't watch because I that time I was very busy.
Yes.
Yeah.
In our household chores and
Yes.
other things.
Yes.
In my opinion, everyone was very happy
Yes, yes.
that day.
Everyone, yes.
Yes.
Yes, and that was the second Diwali, you can say.
Yes.
For all the Hindu religion, it's a second Diwali. Yeah.
I also like the festival of I like Diwali.
Yes.
Yeah, I get opportunity. I got opportunity to celebrate Diwali again.
Yes, yes. So, have you decorated your home as well?
Yes, I have decorated.
Yes, and also I made rangoli as well, and there I lighted the earth lamp, so it was a nice thing. Yeah.
And on Diwali, I'm enjoying. Yeah, we have to do lots of work, but
Yes.
we enjoy this means Diwali.
Yes. So, have you desired that? Have you a desire that you want to go Ayodhya?
Yes, I want to go. If
Yes.
I can, then I will go.
Yes. Same here. I also wish that I will, if I get chance, so I will visit to Ayodhya, and then I go to the temple.
Yes.
Yes. So this time, weather is very, disappointed to people, because in Delhi, weather is very, rainy, cloudy, foggy here. So what is the weather over there in your
It's
side?
same, same.
Same.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Uh,
here is also
it's
since
cloudy.
yes. Go ahead.
It's a cloudy day.
Cloudy day. Okay. So here in the morning time, it's raining, but after 2 o'clock, sun is visible right now. This time, yes, and it has been raining since 29 December.
Yes. Yeah, but today is not raining.
I told you December. Sorry, it's my mistake. It's January. Yeah, 29 January.
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Yeah, sometimes we are doing mistakes, but you speak well.
Yeah, thank you, and you also. Yeah. Yes, what happened?
Yes.
Yeah.
And so, what do you do to learn this language?
Nothing. I'm only taking session, and also I am watching some English content videos. And recently I started to write one page. What I have done whole day. So I used to write in the night when I free my kids will when my kids are sleeping. So I just used to write on my notebook. Yes, and then I read it very carefully where I doing mistakes, and also I'm learning one vocab in a one day. And also I when I write, so I just use it, and when I speak, so sometimes I forget, but if I get chance, if I remember that word, so I just use it. Yes, this time I'm doing these things.
Yeah, when I listen speeches, when I read anything, that time I did not. I do not recall the vocabulary, but when I listen any that time I get very well
And
to say.
I also not able to speak some specific words like pronunciation. This word I also not able to speak, and knowledge, and this word also I was not able to speak. And what I say simultaneously, this word also not I was able to speak. I practice again and again. Now this time it sets on my mind.
Yeah, it happens. When we hear a new word, then we have to face problem. We have to face when we pronounce any word, any new word, then we have to face problem.
Yes. But this is the good thing that we are doing, and we are trying, we are connecting each other. So this is the good thing for removing hesitation, and also whatever we in our mind, so we just expressing.
You are doing great because you have to manage your all these things, the household chores, and as well as your kids.
Yes, thank you so much. And you also, I know you are also doing great thing, but because you are also, taking tuitions. Yes, and you have also kids. You also a mother and homemaker as well. So you are also doing same thing. Yes.
To uh, myself and editing also.
Okay, but in my side, I search all the things on YouTube. I watch so many videos about thumbnail editing, cropping. So I just learned from YouTube. You can say YouTube is my teacher.
Yes, YouTube is a teacher, and we can search anything, and we can find anything, whatever we want to learn.
Sorry to interrupt you. Actually, my data has finished. I have taken 2 sessions today.
Okay, okay, okay. Please
Yeah.
do. Nice
Now
talk.
we were
And
trying very a very long time to connect each other, but this time we get the chance. Yes.
uh,
Okay.
okay,